Okay, what you see here, it's a microwave transformer. Now I have some contacts here, and we have a 1.5 volt battery, and I'm going to measure that battery and show you that is 1.5 volt. Here it is, actually 1.3 whatever, but this battery can power this oscillator, and this is what happens when I connect this thing. Check this out. It's running, all right? And now let's measure the battery. Okay. Oh. Okay. Here it is. That's the battery voltage there. Again, let me disconnect. Okay. And let's reconnect. And with the mask voltage. Okay. Okay, so let me remove and read the battery voltage. 1.4, it charged a little bit. So I suppose battery, it can recharge itself if you have a circuit for it. See, there it is, microwave ion transformer. A little buzzer here. Anyway, that's the video. Okay, here's the same gizmo right there. Now I got 9 volt battery, and let's measure the voltage of the battery. Okay, there we go, 9 volt, 8.9. So let's power this transformer with this 9 volt and see what happens. Oh. Loud. Okay. Let's measure the voltage. Okay, so it works with any battery, and the bigger the voltage is, you get more voltage out.